Okay guys, got the Dragon here. 2008 Dodge Caliber, gonna do a radiator replacement. It got busted when this thing had a little accident. So a lot of stuff is pushed back. You can't see it yet, but when I get it opened up, then you'll be able to see it. But this is gonna be a 16-year-old girl's very first vehicle. They got a good deal on it because of this situation, and I'm gonna fix it up for them. It's only got 80,000 original miles, 80 couple. So yeah, it's gonna be, I think, a real nice first car for her. All right, stay tuned. The Dragon's about to get to work on this thing. Peace out.